So here we're at the open door, balloons and stuff, a little sign. From the produce section and the bakery. I was really impressed with the bakery. Really good food. And there's my dad goofing around trying to hit me with a cucumber. So the produce section was a little bit smaller than I thought, but it's still pretty good. I have a whole bunch of different types of onions and potatoes, which is really good. So we had some veggie spring rolls. And up top here we have some chana masala rice, some veggie burgers, some ratatouille. These churros are actually vegan, which I was really impressed with that. I was surprised. Some falafel. And you cannot forget the Ben & Jerry's ice cream. They have a couple different varieties. And then also they have a LIDL version of some vegan ice cream, which is made with coconut milk. And then I got to this strudel. I wanted to compare it to the Aldi's brand, which it hopefully is good too. And then we got a whole bunch of different frozen veggies. We got some dry shampoo, and the dry shampoo is actually vegan. It's different types of apple chips and some pea chips, or bean chips, what do you call it? Some Old Bay seasoning popcorn, which I have to try. A whole bunch of different bulk macaroni noodles. These are really good, sounded really good. There's a couple different varieties of different stuffed veggies with rice. Eggplant and stuff. I actually got these. These were the rice stuffed grape leaves. I have to give those a try later. And cornflakes. This big box of cornflakes was only 99 cents. These are sound really good. Of course, there's some almond milk. Almond milk or chocolate almond milk, really good. A whole bunch of different varieties. Of course, you have to have the chocolate. This chocolate was really good. I actually sampled this type. My husband sampled this type. Really, really good chocolate. Can't forget the Sparkaloose. Some ground crackers. Just kind of like Ritz crackers. Hi, Francis. And then in the center of the store, they have a bunch of different stuff, like household goods stuff. Just picked up a pack of paper for the refrigerator. Different office type stuff. And some more of the center aisle. We have some kombucha and some vegan soda. Again, kombucha sounded pretty good. And then we have some hummus. I was really surprised at all the different, that the selection of hummuses they had. It sounded really good. This one here, the tandoori hummus, sounded really good. I have to try that next one there. And these bruschetta crackers look pretty good. It's different almonds. Can't forget the Oreos. The Oreos are vegan too. Some pita crackers. And some tofu. More hummus. And some seaweed crackers. And some kale chips. These sounded really good.